What's up, hustlers? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down how everyday people are making up to $500 a day using ChatGPT. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about leveraging AI to create real value. Look, Sophia from Miami was working a 9-to-5 job just 6 months ago. She's consistently pulling in $450, $600 daily with ChatGPT-powered services. And she's not alone. Disclaimer overlay. Important disclaimer. Results shown in this video vary widely based on individual effort, market conditions, and personal skills. The earnings mentioned represent exceptional cases and should not be considered typical or guaranteed. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Whether you're a freelancer looking to scale, a content creator needing to produce more, or just someone wanting extra income, stick around. I'm about to show you exactly how to tap into this growing market before it gets saturated. Understanding ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't just another AI tool, it's a game changer. Developed by OpenAI, this language model can write articles, create marketing copy, answer complex questions, and even help you brainstorm million-dollar ideas. Tech giants like Microsoft have invested billions in this technology, while smaller companies like Jasper 8 AI built entire businesses worth hundreds of millions around similar AI capabilities. But, and this is crucial, Jason from our community tried using ChatGPT without understanding its limitations and lost a major client worth $3,000 when he submitted unedited AI content that contained factual errors. Disclaimer overlay. Reminder: ChatGPT is an AI tool that requires human oversight. Information it generates may be inaccurate or outdated. Always verify important facts and review all AI-generated content before professional use. The tech behind ChatGPT is evolving fast. Those who master it now will have a massive advantage in the coming months. Identifying income streams. Here's where the money is. Marco, a college student from Texas, started offering ChatGPT-powered email marketing services and hit $580 in a single day last month. He's now expanding into social media management. The opportunities are endless. 1. Freelance writing, $50 $200 per article. 2. Content creation for YouTube/TikTok, $300 $500 per batch. 3. Tutoring enhanced by AI, $60 $100 per hour. 4. Marketing copy, $100 $300 per project. 5. Virtual assistants, $25 $50 per hour. Sarah from our Discord community tried jumping between all these services at once without specializing. Result: she got overwhelmed and earned just $150 in her first month. Start with one service, master it, then expand. Many users of ChatGPT report no monetary gains. This video demonstrates possibilities, not guarantees. Time is running out to capitalize on these opportunities. The early adopters I'm mentoring are securing high-paying clients now. Setting up your ChatGPT account. Setting up is quick. Visit OpenAI's website, create your account, and you're ready to go. For serious moneymakers, I highly recommend upgrading to ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. Alex from Canada tried using only the free version and found himself constantly hitting usage limits when working on client projects. He missed 3 deadlines and lost approximately $200 in potential earnings. While I use ChatGPT Plus, this video is not sponsored by OpenAI. Consider your budget and needs before purchasing any subscription. While you're watching this video, hundreds of people are setting up their accounts and starting to offer services. Creating engaging content. The secret to success isn't just using ChatGPT, it's knowing how to use it. Companies like HubSpot and Buffer are investing heavily in AI content strategies, while freelancers like Priya from our community are charging premium rates for their AI expertise. Let me show you exactly how to craft prompts that generate gold. Instead of "write about travel," try "write an adventurous blog post about hidden gems in Bali for millennial travelers with a $2,000 budget, including insider tips locals don't share with tourists, but be careful." Michael, a copywriter from Chicago, blindly trusted ChatGPT's output for a client's legal content. The result? Outdated information led to a $5,000 contract cancellation and potential reputation damage. Disclaimer overlay. Warning: AI-generated content may contain inaccuracies. Always fact-check, edit, and personalize AI outputs. Some industries have strict regulations regarding AI content. Research before implementing in your field. The difference between making $50 and $500 a day is often just how you're using these tools. My students who implement these specific prompt techniques are seeing immediate results. Marketing your services. This is where most people fail. Having the skills isn't enough. You need to get your name out there. Emma from Australia built a waitlist of 37 clients in just 3 weeks by showcasing before-after examples of ChatGPT optimized content on LinkedIn. She's now booked solid at 85 hour. Leverage these platforms now. 1. LinkedIn for B2B services. 2. 2. Instagram for creative services. 3. Upwork and Fiverr for quick client acquisition. 4. X for networking with potential clients. Warning: Carlos invested $2,000 in fancy website design, but neglected building his portfolio. Result: 0 clients in 2 months and a depleted savings account. Start with proof of work, then scale your marketing. Disclaimer overlay. Important: building a client base takes time and consistent effort. Marketing strategies mentioned may require financial investment, and results are not guaranteed. Social media platforms may change their algorithms or policies at any time. The market is getting more competitive every single day. Those who position themselves as AI experts now will have a major advantage as demand continues to grow. Scaling your income. This is how you hit $500 day after day. Diversify your income streams, automate repetitive tasks, and leverage ChatGPT to handle more clients without burning out. Rachel, a former teacher, started with simple blog writing services at $50 per post. Within 90 days, she expanded to offering complete content packages, including blog posts, social media captions, and email sequences, now averaging $530 daily. But James tried scaling too quickly, taking on 15 clients before establishing systems. He ended up refunding $1,800 and damaging his reputation when he couldn't deliver on time. Scale strategically. Disclaimer overlay. Disclosure. Scaling a business typically requires reinvestment of profits, additional time commitment, and may involve hiring help. The income figures mentioned represent exceptional cases and should not be considered typical or guaranteed. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. That time is now. While others are hesitating, smart entrepreneurs are already building their AI-powered income streams. There you have it, the complete blueprint for making $500 a day with ChatGPT. We've covered everything from setting up your account to scaling your income. Remember what happened with Kevin? He watched my last video on this topic, but waited 3 months to start. By then, rates on freelance platforms had dropped by 15% due to increased competition. The people who took action right away are now the ones with established client bases. Final reminder: success requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and adaptation. This video provides educational content only and does not guarantee specific financial outcomes. Always conduct proper research before starting any business venture. If you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that can transform your income. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video on advanced ChatGPT prompts that clients will pay premium rates for. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and I'll personally respond to as many as I can. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.